Hello, it's Mark here. Today I want to talk about this super cool new feature of Photoshop, the neural filter Colorize. No. This is an old picture of my father playing. But now to the magic that is Photoshop. Now so click on Filters, Landesbühne, go to Neural Picture credit goes to Horst Durban, and then you really want to go to the beta filters. And when you go there, there's lots of different ones. If we take Colorize, when you first go into it, you actually have to download it. Clearly, I've done that already. But if you switch this on, then boom, like magic, here it is. Clearly, lots of different settings that you can play with. But for me, it really works as it is. You can also feedback whether it's good for you or not, which is how the neural network will continue to learn. So it is all non-destructive, and it's all created a new layer that you can switch on and switch off. And yeah, there it is. I think it's pure magic. Oh yes, and if you want to look up my father, he's Franz Mosthav. You can find him on IMDb. I will put the link at the bottom. Not a particularly well-known actor, but hey, he's got an IMDb entry. And in these strange COVID-19 times, I do want to shout out to the arts, and with that clearly to the theatre that my father founded, which is now known as die Badische Landesbühne. Have a look. If you're local, go and see them. It's really important to support the arts. And obviously, I also need to shout out our local art center, Southville Park, with another 2 generations of the Mosthavs. Bye for now. See you soon. And don't forget to subscribe. And like, of course.